Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. Now I'm back with a quick update about Facebook. Now I'm super excited about this new monetization feature, and I'm pretty sure you will also. Now, Facebook is introducing a new feature that allows creators to earn money from views on their public stories. Now, this monetization option is now available worldwide for creators that are enrolled in the Facebook monetization program. Now, with this feature, creators can generate income from content they already produce and share by posting it to their Facebook story. Let's just say, for instance, if a creator shares a recipe video or a reel, they can also include a snippet in their story. Now, you can also earn money by sharing everyday life moments as you usually would. Now, creators that are already in the Facebook monetization program, you do not need to do anything else, okay? If you're already set up, you are ready to go ahead and start making money off your stories. Now, as you may know, last year, Facebook launched a content monetization program to combine its in-stream ads, ads on Reels, and also the performance bonus into a single incentive. So after testing the story monetization with select people on their platform, they are now extending this option to eligible creators that are in the program. Now, in 2024, millions of creators were invited to join the program, and Facebook plans to offer open enrollment later this year. Meanwhile, creators who haven't joined yet can express their interest in receiving an invitation through the program website. So, with that being said, if you aren't in the program, I highly recommend that you sign up, because according to Facebook, creators earned over $2 billion on the platform together. Combined, everybody together equaled over $2 billion. Okay, the money is there. They are giving the money out. They want to give the money out. So if you are a part of the program, start posting on your stories. And if you aren't signed up, make sure you sign up and then keep checking to see if you get your invite or not. Because Facebook wants to give this money out. Because guess what? The more we post, the more money we make. Facebook also makes money. That's why they're finding new incentives and new ways to get more creators to come on the platform. Some creators may not feel like they want to post reels or performance bonus, but some people may love to post on their stories. I mean, if you're already posting on your story for free, you might as well post on it and get paid to post on your story. But make sure you sign up, guys. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.